The ZBook helps you be more creative in that you know that this is not going to be your limitation. When I'm editing, it keeps up with the demands that I'm putting on it.
It's remarkable that a laptop so small and so light has such power packed inside. The work that I do is very GPU intensive. I use Lightroom, After Effects, Photoshop, Autodesk Maya, Redshift, another program called Gaia, and then a program called Embergen. You don't see NVIDIA RTX graphics in a laptop like that. It was just smooth in the simulations and the rendering. There was no impact on the RAM or the performance.
The ZBook has been really great because it's really durable, lightweight. It has a long-lasting battery. I'm often in the desert or in the jungle, and I need to know that when it's in my bag and it gets thrown onto the back of a truck or the back of a camel or in a boat, I don't have to worry about it.
That process to be able to take the work outside the studio and to continue to iterate freely and try new things, removed from your comfort zone, is a really powerful combination of inspiration. I find myself entering into flow when I use the ZBook because the power it enables me. So to me, it's an escape. It's like that feeling where you just lose track of time. You almost lose track of yourself. There's so much unknown to it. There's so much discovery.
It's fantastic because it really kind of pushes me as a creative to be better and to push into areas that I didn't think I was capable of.